you have all of you have seen how quickly is Janvi doing, and okay, now I'll ask Janvi a question. So, how does she practice and how does she do it this quickly? Right. So, Janvi.
Mm, Sir, I practice more and more questions, and from that, I improve my speed, and then I'm able to solve it so quickly.
Right. So, Janvi submits the assignment every week. So, that is the only way she improved her speed. So, she practices regularly and submits the assignments, and she also practices a lot, flashcards, dictations, and there are many things on website. So, she practices all of them, and she also tries to improve her speed. So, for example, if she has done 9 questions for the first time, she'll try to do 10 questions or 11 questions next time. So in that way, she improved her speed. Any tips you would like to give for new students who have just started learning Abacus? Because if I show this video, how fast you are solving the calculations to them, they'll be inspired and they'll also would like to improve their speed to solve calculations like you. So any tips you want to give to them?
They should practice regularly to
Hmm.
improve their speed, and they should focus on basic things like do not forget them, and always remember the concepts, all the concepts. Follow your teacher.